I have used some fluorescent colors. Friends, Leonardo da Vinci of the Renaissance period is best known as an artist, a scientist, and also as an inventor. Many of us know only about his famous creation, Mona Lisa, well known for her mysterious smile. Do you know that the orange zinnia was the first flower to be grown in space in 2016 through experiment called Veggie? It was grown in the lab developed by NASA. To simulate sunlight, this system used red, blue, and green lights. So that's the story of the birth of the orange zinnia and also about the famous artist of the Renaissance period, Leonardo da Vinci. Because an artist has to accumulate more details which is outside his world also. Let's also learn a bit more about our Zinnia. Friends, we have celebrated a whole week of Zinnia week. So why not learn more about it? The Zinnia flower belongs to the Asteraceae family, spelled at Asteraceae, pronounced as Asteraceae family. It's a composite flower with two main types of florets, the ray florets and also the disc florets. The ray florets are the showy petal-like structures that form the outer layer of the flower head. These brightly colored structures surround the central disc florets. They are often sterile and contribute to the flower's visual appeal, while the disc florets, you can see here, they are the small symmetrical flowers clustered in the center. The entire flower head or capitulum, that's how you pronounce, and it's spelled as Capitulum, pronounced as capitulum. It sits atop a receptacle which can be conical or cylindrical. This part. In simple language, you can call it a cup, C-U-P, as simple as that. In short, these are the small fertile flowers that make up the central disc of the zinnia head. They are often yellow or orange, but can be other colors depending on the cultivar. Palea, that's how you pronounce it, and spelled as P-A-L-E-A. These are small scale-like structures located between the florets on the receptacle. Leaves and stems. Some have a rough sandpaper-like structure, you can see here. Like in the previous rendering, we saw that the zinnia flower starts appearing as a tightly closed bud when the flower starts blossoming. That is when the head opens. It's a deep orange colored flower. That is, in short, it has a very bright color. Example, deep orange in orange zinnia, almost like scarlet hue. When the flower head starts maturing, it gets a medium orange color. As it grows older, the petals become yellowish. Let's investigate it with some vocabulary connected with our subject. You must have drawn diagrams in your science class. The ovary style, stigma pollens, stamen, anthers, female and male parts, and the ray florets, stigma of ray floret, open and unopened disc florets, etc. etc. In short, the zinnia is a much more complex one than other flowers. They require a lot of sunlight and are allergic to frost. Friends, this was meant for science students also. A science student learns to draw diagrams according to what science says based on facts, while an art student draws and paints according to what is seen and felt. Visual art with a heart. Wow! So that's all for now. Please give a like below this video and subscribe to our channel for it's different, it's unique, and it's very genuine, and you know that. Meet you again in the next video with another interesting color scheme. Till then, Shubha Dina.